Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem. Turn off Bluetooth and AirPlay so external mics aren't selected, then disconnect any wired or wireless accessories. Next, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy, then Microphone to confirm apps have permission. Finally, record a short clip in voice memos and a video in camera to compare input. These first steps separate hardware, permission, and system issues quickly, so you know what to focus on next. You now tackle software and physical causes together. Install any iOS updates because system fixes often resolve mic behavior. Make sure update completes. At the same time, check the mic grills for lint or debris. Gently brush or use a short burst of compressed air while avoiding liquid. If permissions and cleanliness are fine, but issues persist, reset settings via Settings General Transfer or Reset. Resetting preserves your data, but restores network and permission defaults, which often you finish with deeper fixes and a safety tip. Test with wired headphones and on speakerphone to identify which microphone, bottom, front, rear fails. If software steps fail, back up your iPhone and perform a reinstall or DFU restore to rule out firmware corruption. If the mic still fails, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider because it may be a hardware issue. One key troubleshooting tip: only attempt a DFU restore after a full backup to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.